Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to purchase and set up Sellvia dropshipping store. Okay, before we begin, what are the benefits of using Sellvia to set up your dropshipping business? Number one is that you are going to enjoy 1 to 3 business days shipping across USA address. Another one is wholesaling products. You enjoy importing to your store one click hot selling products that are ready to sell, and also well optimized product pages. You're also going to be enjoying ready to use marketing material like for Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Pinterest ad, and even email marketing. That's awesome. Another thing is best price and huge profit as compared to AliExpress. Sellvia have a relatively cheap prices. Okay, the same product that you can find for something that's $1 in AliExpress is sold for approximately $10 in Sellvia. As you can see that once you import that product in your store, you'll be making high profit, and that is awesome. Also, when you order Sellvia custom store, it comes with free domain and hosting. So you don't have to worry yourself about where to buy domain or how to host the technical aspects of those things. No. Okay. You also get e-commerce software to automate your business. You also have a plugin that will automatically import and fulfill orders for you. I mean, there's so much you can get when you order for Sellvia custom store. Okay, so with that said, let's jump at how you can order for this store for free and start your business immediately. Meanwhile, if you're coming for my tutorial and channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and share the video so that others can get the benefit from it. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link below this video to make it easy for you to get to this place, and when you click that link, you will get to a page like this. Okay, so you can see it says Sellvia start for free and start now. Okay, so I'm going to click start now to show you how to set up this business. Let's wait as load. Okay, say rock an online business starting today. Get your store for free now. What that means is that you're going to start for free for 14 days. You will test how things work out. If it's okay with you, you can now choose to pay to continue to use their services. All right. Okay, I'm going to click on rock this business to start creating our. Okay, say get your own e-commerce store with a free trial of Sellvia Pro. Get full access to Sellvia Pro for 14 days. I've said that already. Okay, say functional online store 1 to 3 days US shipping and returns, unlimited products to import. That's awesome. So what are you getting there? You get turnkey e-commerce store. It will cost you zero. Hosting, it will cost you $0. Sellvia Pro annual plan, it will cost you $0. As for now, if you order now, you are not paying for anything because it is your free trial. They will charge you $0 for now, so you'll not deduct anything from your account until 14 days, meaning that if you cancel before 14 days, you will pay nothing. So look at the actual price, $399 a year. That's awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and and fill this information to get what I'll do now is that I will pause this video to enter my details, enter my email, my card information, and all that. Alright, so after I've done that, what do? I scroll down to this big yellow button and click on complete order. That is it. Let's wait as it loads. Okay, we're here now. Say, can't wait to get you started. Please answer 4 simple questions so that we could start building your store. So for them to build my store to my preferences, I have to answer some questions. So what I'm going to do, click on this fill out a survey to get started. Alright, so step 1 of 4. What would you like to sell? So basically they're asking you to choose your niche, the kind of store product that you want to sell. Number 1 there is bestsellers, family stores. As you scroll down, you'll be seeing other options: home and garden, fashion accessories, made in USA, car accessory, gadgets, health and product, and all that. So as for me, I'm going to choose bestsellers. So when I choose bestseller, I say you fill your store with hot must-haves that are already proven to sell well and generate high profit. So I'm going to be going with this option. I'll scroll down and click continue. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, step 2 of 4. What will be the name of your store? So basically they're asking you to choose your domain name. Remember I told you before that it comes with free domain name. Okay, so if you want to use your custom domain name, that is also obtainable. You click on this option. But if not, you have to come down, scroll down to choose the domain name as suits your need. Okay, let me look for fancy domain name of my choice. Okay, I think I like this one, findhq.shop. I'll click on this and scroll down and click on continue. Okay, step 3 of 4. What will your website look like? So they're asking you to choose the theme of your store. For me, I'm going to scroll down and click on, okay, I like Da Vinci. Okay, Da Vinci is not free. I like El Crico. It's not free. I like this one, Ruben. I'll click on it and click on continue. Okay, here we come to the final step. What would you like to upgrade your store from the very start? Okay, this is just like an upsell if you want to upgrade your store, or that's not the purpose of this tutorial. You see, now you can add the products comes with 50 products. So if you want them to add more product, like 100 products for $29, 200 products for $49, and 1000 products for $99, you can select any of it, but I see no need for it, since you can import product to your store, unlimited product to your store, with just a click when your store is set up. Okay, so what am I going to do now? I'll make sure that I deselected all this and click on finish. Let's wait for it to load. Loading. Sorry for the delay, my network is bad. Okay, this is just like an upsell. So get 3 times more products in your catalog be 3 times more successful. This is just an upsell which I am not interested in. So what do? No thanks. Click on this place. No thanks. I'm not interested. Click on this place. No thanks. I am not interested. So click here to proceed. Okay, say thank you. You are almost there. To activate your store, please book a free training session. Alright, this is a new feature that was added to Sellvia. Before now, once you click on finished, that's the final step. Meaning at one business day, they will send you an email telling you that your store is ready. But now you have to go through training sessions for them to train you, walk you through how to maximize the benefits that is in Sellvia. Okay, so you say that your attendance at the Zoom meeting is required in order to activate your store. So go through this and understand what it is, and then you choose the day that is convenient for you. Look at the available dates: Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So as for me, I'm going to choose the next available date, which is 18th. I'll choose this, and the time. What will be my preferred time? Okay, I'll choose this. Confirm. Okay, and I will enter my details, my email, I'll add my phone number. Okay. I click on schedule events. Okay, confirm your schedule with Christopher is so. Alright. With that, you have ordered for the store. So we wait for the online training before you can start selling. As you can see here, I say thank you, your online store is almost ready. Please don't forget to attend the free training session. You have just booked to activate your website. Okay, my time is Thursday, 18th August, and that is it. Congratulations, your site will almost be ready. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. If you have any question, use the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. Alright, thank you. So when the store is activated, I walk you through how to set up other things in the store for you to start selling and start making profit. Thank you for watching. God bless you.